Hey everyone, Randy Dawn and a Marathon Coach. We're at Hilton Head Island. We've been here for a week. What a great place to be.
Yeah.
Got,
If you haven't been, it's a stop to make.
it is. It definitely is. You literally don't even need to have a car when you're here. You can bike and walk to the beaches, to the stores, wherever you need to go. So it's been a great time here. Met a lot of great people. We have Coach 1325.
You see it behind us?
Yep, the new X3. So we just want to give you a quick glimpse of maybe some of the newer things in 1325. So let's go take a look at it. All right, everyone, here we are in 1325. And you know, there's just a few things that we really want to point out to you that is kind of different in this coach. So let's take a look in the back.
All right.
One of the things that I think is really cool is how, you know how we normally have the pocket door? Well, we got a little new twist to that now, where the whole wall kind of moves, and then you have a piece of art there.
That is pretty.
You also have, you know, a light that lights that up. So that's really cool. This is kind of different than just your average pocket door that comes in and out. So that's really cool. And then as we walk here into the bedroom, something else I want to show you. I'll let Dawn kind of get past me here.
All right.
So
let me turn around. We're going to do this slow so we don't make anybody car sick.
yeah.
Film sick.
Right. So here, you know, you normally have the door that closes this off. So close that door.
Again, pretty.
Very decorative, yep. And the nice thing about this, if Dawn could step right over here,
Okay.
is now you've kind of created a master suite. You're in the master bedroom, and you have this door closed off, and you have the big shower, and it's just very roomy. So, you know, it takes an area and makes it very usable. So
It almost splits the coach in half
It
so that
does.
you have two rooms,
Yep.
two large rooms.
two large
I'm going
rooms.
to try and back up a little bit here so we
Yep.
can see it from,
And then you also, I mean, if you have someone or if your
so you can
spouse
see.
is not back here, you still have the stool on the other side. So that's really nice.
Yeah.
And then you have lots of storage here. You know, people will sometimes walk in here and say, oh, there's not enough storage. Like, hold it, let me show you. There's storage everywhere. You got this, you got hanging here.
And Randy, pull that drawer out.
Yeah.
Massive
that is a
drawer.
monster drawer. You keep your kids in that drawer. So two huge drawers there.
Yeah.
And then this, I love this. You know, normally you just have the straight square cabinets and the doors, where this, it just looks so sleek, and then you pull it down and you have storage. And I think this is so cool. I just think it gives
You
the
could
bedroom.
line that with bins or dividers, right?
Yeah, you could put something in there. Yeah, set
And
them in
then-
there.
Yeah,
Definitely.
yeah.
So that's really cool. So I love that part of it. And then let's switch places a minute.
Okay. Here we go again, guys. Hang on.
And-
Stay with us here.
And once
Okay.
again, you know, this folds back and kind of opens it up so you can get easy access to your washer and dryer. I mean, you don't even have to step up there if you want to get to it. And then once again, you can just close this off so nicely.
Just finishes the room off nice.
And then you have a picture, and just look how nice that looks.
Yeah.
So
It's elegant, actually.
Yeah.
It's very elegant.
yeah, so the bedroom they've made some great improvements. So we just want to bring those things to your attention. So
Yeah, those are good highlights.
yeah, and we'll give you some shots of the outside too. Stunning coach. Once again, ceiling height, very high, and that's what a lot of people notice when they come in. It's like, this is a double? It's like, yeah, this is a double, but I think the height is what really gives this coach a big feel. So
All right.
All
Sounds good. Thanks for pointing those out.
yeah.
All right, friends, we hope you enjoyed this little tour of 1325. I'll be honest with you, we're at Hilton Head Island Resort. The sun just came out, so we're itching to get outside.
Yeah.
But if there's anything else that we can show you when we're in the coach that you'd like to see, put it in the comments. We'll do the best we can with it. And always keep watching Randy Dawn and a Marathon Coach.